That's right. Bossman Barbecuer Smoker, all in one. Not every smoker's got a handle like this to lock that lid in for that smoky, rich, juicy flavor, like the Bossman. Purchase you one now, 150 bucks. Bossman smokers are made here locally, family owned. We take pride in what we do. Alright, let's put the wood in, seal it up, start smoking that hog. That's right, pick y'all up one. We got our apple. Got a little bit of that on there. We got our apple bark there. And a few apple pellets we're gonna throw on there if you want this to smoke a little bit longer than usual. Oh, that seal. Bossman came up with a genius idea. Even that handle, look at that handle. Man. Perfect seal every time. Hold on. Leave that recipe down there. Get it started. Mine, I'm going to smoke this with my vamper all the way open tonight. I do like this handle that Bossman put on there. It's way away from the heat. You can pick this thing up and carry it around anywhere in your yard you like. Set it down. We're gonna let these turkey legs smoke all night, so we're gonna get a pretty good sized fire going in there. Yeah, I'm gonna decide what to throw in there. Let's throw this one in there. This lid's been on there for at least 30 minutes. Not even hot. Look at that fire. Yeah. I can already smell that shit smoking. Yeah. Put our turkey legs on it, put our ring on that bitch. Oh yeah, got the big log in there. I had this thing put together in 20 minutes. I recommend it. Bossman Barbecuer Smoker, all in one. Oh, look at that smoke. It's gonna flavor that meat up pretty good.